Let's learn how to add subscriptions to your Shopify store. So welcome back to another simple tutorial, everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to add subscriptions to our Shopify store. It's pretty easy to add Shopify subscriptions, and the first step is to go to your Shopify website and make sure that you are logged into your account. You're gonna see this main page once you open the store. If we go into the product section, and then add your products right here, you will see that we don't have any native integration that allows us to add products to our store that are subscription-based directly to our store, so we will have to use another method. You can see that we have an option to add a physical product or a digital product, but there is not a subscription-based product or something like that. In order to add subscriptions to our store, the first thing that we want to do is to click on the settings button, which is at the bottom left corner of the screen. And once the Shopify settings open, you want to find the Apps and Sales Channels button, so click on it to open it. And then click on this Shopify App Store button at the top right corner of the screen. We will have to use this store if we want to add subscriptions in Shopify, and that is through a third-party app. Once the store opens, just search for subscription, and then you will get a bunch of different apps in here. The one that I like to use and personally recommend you to get is this Appsel application. It has a good rating and a lot of downloads, so get this specific app for your store. But you can also use other applications from the results if you want to. There are a lot of great ones in the Shopify App Store. In order to get it, click on this Add App button and then wait a couple of seconds until it opens this page. After that, simply click on the Install button in order to install this app to our store. Wait a couple of seconds until the installation is finished, and you will see the app on the left side of the screen right here. The next step is to choose which plan you want on Appsel. We can activate the free plan, but you have a 10-day free trial for other plans as well, so you can check them out and see the features that they offer. Once you activate your Appsel plan, the interface is going to look something like this, and you will see the subscription settings on the left side of the screen. You will have your basic tools ready and you can start implementing the subscriptions to your store. You can click on subscriptions at the left, and then here one more time. The app is going to give you the option to export pre-existing ones or create your own subscriptions. You can create your own by clicking on this Create Manual Subscription right here. After that, you can choose what kind of subscription you want to create for your store and start customizing it and implementing it into your Shopify store. I hope that this video helped you out, everyone, and that you were able to add the subscriptions to your store successfully. If this was helpful, then consider leaving a like on this video. It would mean a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.